Hi, welcome to my playlist project using Java. This is going to demonstrate some things doing with array lists and related methods. So the first thing I wanted to do was import the utilities for Java array lists. So there's the command for that. And then, of course, setting up the class for the playlist and the main method is there. Okay, and then the first thing to do is to create our array list, and it's going to be a string, and we're calling it music playlist, and a string so that we can list song titles as strings of characters. Okay, so once we've created that, we want to add some songs to it. So we're going to add some strings here using the add method for array lists. And just to make sure that we did that properly, we're going to print the music playlist. So let's run it and see what we get. Okay, and here it is. Okay, it's a list of songs, and we may want to know how many songs are there. And in order to find out that number, we can use the size method on this array list. So let's print that and run it and see what we get. And here we have 7, so that looks like how many songs we have. And another thing that we may want to do if this is too many songs or we don't like one of them, we can remove any number of these songs. So I wanted to remove one of them. I chose to index the song index number 1. So this is the second song in the list. 0, 1 is going to be Elderly Woman here. So that should get removed after that command runs. And we're going to print the size again to see if we do have one fewer songs here. And in fact, we do. Now there are 6 songs. Okay, and then another way to remove a song is by using the actual title string for the song name. So we'll remove one more, Wings for Marie here, and that looks like it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th song in the original list. It would be the 5th index actually now, but since we're referring to it by its string, we don't have to worry about referring to the proper index for it. Okay, so now we're going to print the size again after removing that, and yes, we see that there are 5 songs left. So Wings for Marie and the one at index 1, Elderly Woman, are now gone. Okay, and now one more thing that we may want to do is, well, let's see what we have left after removing those 2 songs here, just to confirm. Okay, so here we have the first song, the one at index 1 is gone, and that 6th song, Wings for Marie, is also gone, and we have 5 songs. Okay, now what if we want to like switch the position of 2 songs? It's a little trickier, but song order might help here, even though all of these songs are kind of pretty random. Let's swap a couple. So in order to do that, what I did here was to create new indexes for referring new variables to refer to 2 of the songs that I want to swap. Okay, and so I named it index A and index B just as a reference. So index A, I said, okay, is going to refer to this song, The New Year, which is here at index 1. Okay, and then indeska, this is at the last index. But I want to swap them. So in order to do that, I've assigned them these references, and now they're integer indexes for the songs. And so now I'm going to first overwrite that first one with the title of the song that I want to swap. So I'm going to set index A to indeska, right? Even though it's originally The New Year, now I'm overwriting it. So I'm going to have 2 of this indeska song. Okay, so let's see if that works. And I'm going to run that and then print it again. And here we can see here it's where it originally was. And now it's also here where the new year was. Okay, so successfully overwrote that song. Okay, now so we could do that again and just overwrite this one with the new year. But another method kind of wanted to try here was to actually assign another new and assign a string in this case, call it a temporary, and then give it the string name for the song, the new year, okay? And then I'm going to refer to that temporary variable when I'm overwriting the song this time. So at index B, instead of referring to the song by its full string name, I'm actually just going to refer to this reference that I created, temp A, and see if that works. It's a little fancier, and I want to try that. So let's see if that works, and hopefully we'll successfully complete the swap here. And now we can see that index here is at index 1, where we wanted to move it to, and now the new year is over here. So looks like it was successful. Thank you.